Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울.
Today is a glorious day. I can't believe how hot it is. Expected to be about 34 degrees. You wonder why do the British talk about the weather all the time? It's only because we don't get summer or the hot weather all the time. And when we do, and it's glorious like this, you know, it just brings out all kinds of happiness. Alright, let me take off the glasses.
너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children 꿈에도 I wasn't aware 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.
This is the Jordan 4 blank canvas. Between 2021 and 2022, there's been a hell of a lot of Jordans. Jordan 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. There's been quite a few that have come out. And Jordan 4s, in my opinion, are the best silhouette out of all the Jordans. There's been quite a few Jordan 4s that have come out since 2021. Some of them have hit the spot, and some of the Jordan 4s didn't hit the spot. All I know is I took L's all over. But let's talk about the black canvas. You could say this is very similar to the Jordan 4 Levi's. And the Jordan 4 Levi's had that jean looking material that was on top, which was very nice with the gum outsole. Where the black canvas is slightly different, it's using canvas material. And you can see canvas material all over the upper. I must say, when it comes to Jordan 4s, I do like the upper to be one colour than having different colours. You had the infrareds which have different shades of colour. Now the key difference between this Jordan 4 and some of the other Jordan 4s is you don't have the typical features. So one being the mesh. You see a mesh on the upper, mesh on the tongue. It doesn't have that. Two, if you look at the eyelets, you don't have the TPU on the rear part of the eyelid. And also, if you look at the rear pull is usually TPU type material. In this case, it's all canvas. So if you start with the upper is very nice. It just works really well. So at where the laces actually go through the eyelets, that's TPU. You got the Jumpman on the tongue and Jumpman to the rear. Another key feature on these canvases is the fact that on the midsole, surrounding the air bubble, it's all canvas. It's not the rubber material, it is canvas. To the front part of the midsole is the typical rubber used. The outsole. The outsole is the only thing that has a slight twist to it. If you look on the outsole, it has some colours, the reds, blues, yellows, and I believe that's like artistic splash. You know, when you're in the zone, painting and doing whatever, paint could get anywhere or everywhere. And I like it. And I think it's clean. I definitely think it's clean and fresh and I like it. Even my missus was saying, ooh, babes, quick, come. What do you think of these? Just say one word.
Texture.
Are they nice or not?
Yeah, they're nice. I like the texture.
Honest
Yeah.
opinion.
It's very summery.
Because this is women's size, I can't really advise you if to go bigger, smaller, wider, shorter, you know what I mean. Usually women's size is usually smaller and thinner. So you're gonna have to find your own way. Google, check out charts, do whatever you need to do to find your own way. So how does it look on foot?
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
They look nice, don't they? They really do look nice. I really like these Jordans. I appreciate them. Are they better than previous releases? I'm not sure. In terms of the Levi's, would it ever fetch those resale prices? I don't know. But in my opinion, it's very nice. And I do really like them. to keep him clean. It might be a tough one. As some people might say, it might be a bit sticky. It's not going to be easy. Canvas material, without being able to put it into the wash, yeah, you're going to struggle. You're going to have to try and keep it clean as much as possible. What? Hold on. Forgot to mention the box. Some people like talking about the box. Carries on the theme, it's a blank canvas. You have the label on the side giving you all the details, size details. That's about it. Nothing much. Little bit of paper in there.